A party-ready charcuterie or cheese platter to start or start any feat. This bamboo cheese board by House Your Home is the perfect cheese board for any occasion. It features a special groove for your crackers, cookies, and crostinis, and a small drawer which offers a secure place to put your included 2 ceramic bowls. Store your bowl 2 ways. Keep it open during use, or you can also place the bowls on the board. This board, which you can use in many different ways, also comes with a set of knives for slicing, serving, and spreading, all with durable stainless steel blades and an easy grip bamboo handle. The silicone meat underneath keeps your board from moving. It also features hidden slide-out drawers that has slots for your knives, labels, and markers. The drawer does not interrupt the use of the cheese board. Patent pending and innovatively designed in a way that each item can be securely placed, all thanks to the magnets found in both drawers so it stays closed and will not fall down by itself. Made with 100% Moso organic bamboo, it has natural antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Everything is food safe and BPA free. To maintain your cheese board, just use warm soapy water or a damp cloth. The utensil drawer can be removed for fast and easy cleaning. Bring the party outdoors. Great to enjoy snacks on the beach, for pool parties, and garden picnics. This bamboo cheese board comes beautifully packaged, ready to be given as a gift to yourself or your loved ones for any occasion. It even includes a special guidebook for bamboo lovers. Order this amazing multi-purpose cheese board.